Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the spark arrestor deflector gasket in your leaf blower, make sure the engine and muffler have cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Use a T27 Torx bit to unthread the 4 screws, securing the starter. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Unthread the 5 screws securing the engine cover. Pry off the cover. This may require some effort. Set the leaf blower on its side. Next, unthread the 5 screws to release the spark arrestor deflector from the muffler. You can now remove the old gasket, if still intact. Before you install the new spark arrestor deflector gasket, confirm the spark arrestor is in place on the muffler. Now align the new gasket, then reposition the deflector and thread the screws. Reposition the engine cover. Thread and tighten the screws. Reattach the wire and boot to the spark plug. Realign the starter, making sure the pulley engages with the starter pawls. Thread the screws to secure the assembly. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.